私の名前は中村義彦です。
My name is Sven Dienke. I'm heading the team Nimbro Rescue of University of Bonn, Germany.
我嘅名字係叫洪天偉，我代表香港大學。
Mein Name ist Stefan Kohlbrecher von der Technischen Universität Darmstadt.
We got 25 teams from all over the world. There's teams from Japan, Korea, from Europe that have been doing fantastic work in humanoid robotics in particular, but in disaster response robots for a long time.
I think that disasters are a very human problem. Both injury and loss of life is a terrible emotional burden for any human being to have to bear for their loved ones. And so I think the whole world, regardless of politics or any sort of other struggles that we have, understands that disasters are just terrible things and appreciates the need to try to be able to be more robust to them and to respond to them.
Humanitarian assistance and disaster response is one of the primary missions for the Department of Defense and our United States military. In support of our national security strategy, we need to be postured globally to provide immediate response to any foreign nation. Here in the homeland, that's one of our primary responsibilities, is to stand ready to respond, be it enemy attack or any natural disaster. Any immediate response we can do overseas demonstrates our commitment to human life and preserving it and supporting other countries.
Anything that's going to help get communities devastated because of a disaster quickly back to their feet, isn't that a call to everybody, regardless of, color, creed, nation? So to see that there is a global participation shows an awareness, and that's something, we really applaud.
Number one concern is human life. I mean, this type of technology and any operations in humanitarian assistance, disaster response, is to save lives. But there's second and third order benefits from this, increasing the capacity and capability of that foreign nation to take care of themselves. Regional stability just through HADR operations. And then global relationships for the United States. In the event that we have a catastrophic event, we're going to hope that that nation will come in and support us also.
Had there been a robot that could have been brought on site during the first few hours of the Fukushima disaster, it could have avoided the contamination over a wide area that occurred after the explosions at Fukushima that generated an exclusion zone where still people can't move back to. If robots had been there, they could have opened valves to vent the reactors and to prevent those kinds of explosions.
We as robot scientists, we go to conferences, we present papers, we collaborate. And these are people that we see at conferences. So it's very interesting to work with them again at a competition. And again, we're also working together to save humanity together. And that's why it's important to collaborate internationally as well.
I think the teams are motivated by several things. And most important, I think, is the problem that they're trying to solve to begin with. They really are trying to make the human condition much better. They're trying to make the world a safer place to be and lower the incredibly strong emotional burden of what happens when human beings are hurt or killed in disasters. No one deserves for that to happen to them. And so, can't we build systems that make that much less likely to occur?